Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So if this is your first time checking out one of my videos or my channel, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that big red button below. Yep, the subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell and hit the all on that one. Because what that will do is whenever I put out some new content, YouTube will notify you that, hey, Ryan DePaul just made a new video and you liked the last one, so you might want to check out this one. So with that, we're going to actually go ahead and jump right into this one. So what we're talking about today is a update feature of Royaltie again. So you may have saw some of my videos in the past, and what they've done is all-in-one marketing platform. They actually have improved on their website builder, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. They made it more easier to navigate and a little couple of more functions, and just to tie it into your social media and help you get the exposure that you need. So I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to show you one of the videos, the websites. So I'm going to click on edit right there. And so this is a new website that we just created for the team. And this right here is right here. So you can see off the top right here, it's a little bit different from how it was this left-hand side of the website builder. So you have this right here. It's called Edit Websites, and it's pretty cool. I'm going to go into that more. This is where you attach your 3-click marketing powered by AI. So this is actually attached to the website. So you have to have an AI-powered website. That's another video right there. You can go ahead and check out my video on that one. The business name, royalty, obviously, website settings. You put this. You can actually go into there and do the change the URL, the name of the website, your different languages. You got all types of languages you can go through. Pretty cool. And then actually we'll change it into on the website. We'll change it to that language. What else? We got metadata. That's if you know about that one. That's more technical stuff. But if you know about that, you can actually make it say show the metadata on social media things or even cell phones. Royalty. You change the image of which you want the metadata to show. That's pretty cool too. More brandy on that one. And let's go industry. So you can actually pick the industry. This is digital marketing, online marketing, contact form. We'll go more into that one later. And then keywords. Keywords are good because it helps with the SEO and just people finding what you're looking for when they type into search engines and even on social media, hashtags and all that stuff. So social media connections. This is cool because this right here, I can connect. Right now, I can connect my Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page is called Ryan DePaul. So I've got that. Boom, add, and boom. Pretty cool. So now that's added to my Facebook page. So that's awesome. So that's one thing right there, and it goes more in depth into it. So I'm going to try to show you guys more. But if I click on the website editor, this is cool. Just a little function right here. That's what we're all used to. This right here, where you can actually drag and drop and everything, your blog and all that stuff. How you can actually customize your landing page, website, whatever you want to call it, capture page, and it's pretty. So we're familiar with that one. So I like to go on this one. Just check a little more on this. You got custom code. That's that'll be another video. I'm not going to that one. That's a whole video in itself. But so check back soon for that one. Paragraphs. You can change the colors, get more in depth with everything. Website background. That's what you see right here. Let's see if I can pull this over. So you see the background right there. That's all that. Social media links. We know about that. That's these up there. That's pretty cool. So that's just something right there that we can show you. And it's a cool little feature. It just makes it easier for you to navigate, makes it more convenient for you to get things done quicker, mainstream, so you don't have to go searching for everything or click back and forth. So that's what's nice about that. And you actually add your own logo too. We have the Royaltie logo on this one. So that's what's nice about that. That's cool. I like this. It makes it more convenient for people. So for customers and even power users. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Just little things that they're constantly adding and updating for the consumer or just Royaltie in general, whoever uses the platform. It's pretty cool. I use it. I've been with them for 3 years using this, and I must say I have not been disappointed with what they brought on. Everything that they've changed, everything that they enhanced, evolved to, has only been bettering and helping small business owners, entrepreneurs, people brand, just in general. People make money, so it's nice too. So you can actually use this as a marketing agency if you wanted to. So that's what's nice about this and what they're offering. So like I said, this was just more of a little insight on their newest, well, not newest feature, but the updated feature of the website builder. So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to post in the comments below, or you can give me a call on my personal line. It's right to my direct line right here, cell phone 925-752-8897. That's my direct line, so I'll answer those. Or text, you can do that one too. If I don't answer, just leave a voicemail. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, this is a great thing, great tool, just to help you expand your business online with marketing. And it doesn't just stop at websites, because websites is just one thing of showing, getting your business in front of people. So this actually does a lot more into it. So go ahead and check out some of my old videos and you can see what I'm talking about. So hopefully you got some good value on this one. If you did, go ahead and give me a like. Feel free to share it. And like I said, hit that subscribe button and so you can get updated on anytime you put out new content. So with that, guys, I'm going to end the video. Hope you got some value and some information that was answered with this. So until the next one, guys, be safe, be blessed, and take care.